You can quickly add a large amount of data into the system by using the import function. Note that you can only import data if you have the necessary permissions. As an example, let's import a list of orders from an Excel table. Before we start importing the data, we need to create an app it will be uploaded to. Let's add a new workspace and name it Warehouse. Then create the Orders app in it. We now need to add fields corresponding to the data from the file we want to import. For order date and delivery date, let's choose the date-time data type and the date format. We'll link the company field with the corresponding app in the CRM system workspace. For address and order details, we'll use the string type and text format. For the phone number field, we'll choose the corresponding data type. And for order amount, we'll use the money data type and the United States dollar currency. Amount of items will be an integer number. We'll make all the fields required, enable the search and sort by field option, and save the form. Let's move on to importing data. A data template has been generated for this app. You can download it to your computer. Let's download it as an Excel table. For the import process to run correctly, we need to make the data in the file we're going to upload fit the template. To do that, let's copy the column names into the file we're importing and adjust the data so that it corresponds to the data format specified in the template. In fact, you can import several values in one app field. To do that, use a comma as a separator. Note that this can only be done for the number, category, phone number, email address, link, users, and app fields. In the company field, the corresponding data from the CRM workspace is specified, namely the company that the supply agreement is signed with. This means that this field stores a link to an item of another app. To make it possible to import the data, we first need to add the company specified in the file to the company's app. Then we have to copy their IDs from the address bar into the file. Otherwise, an error message will appear and the import process will be interrupted. Let's save the file. Now we'll get back to data import. Let's upload the file and click Import. The formatting of the data in the file needs to correspond with the types of fields in the app. For example, when we try to write text to a number type field, an error message appears and the import process is interrupted. Let's edit the file and try again. The import process is completed. 7 new app items filled with data from 7 rows in the file have appeared in the app.